What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend SPX. Currently we see $1.10. We're down 9% on the day. We're under $1 for a second there. Market cap 1.02 billion, 24 volume, 61 million. So a couple scenarios. Bearish scenario is that's an overshooting wave B, and then you would come down in a wave C. And you can see we have quite a bit of support in between right around 0.81 and 0.72, and the 78.6, what you would want to see hold, is at 72. Now, if we push from here, then the original wave count we had would stand, and it would just be a bit of a deeper 2, where this is your first impulse, which is very possible because to me this looks like a 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, and then you continue up from here, 3, 4, 5. But we do need to push from here, because if we break down any lower, it does increase the likelihood of breaking that low and coming down to these price targets. So you want to push from here, start to break resistance right around $1.28. That will give you, which also the headline of this head and shoulders, that will give you more confirmation of a straight continuation to the upside. But if we roll over, do expect these price targets. Let me quickly see if this was a wave 1 into a 2, how deep we came here. La-di-da. Yeah, so that's why I am looking at the ABC, because we already broke the 78.6. Doesn't mean you will come down to these targets. It just increases the likelihood. Unless you can just see a straight push from here and then everything is all good for the bullish scenario. Otherwise, you can go through the ABC correction. And as you can see here on the daily chart, we do have a double top, which is a bearish pattern, so keep that in mind. But of course, if we zoom out, we do continue up from here. Wave 3 target is coming in about $2.80. And my bull market target, I do think we could easily get $50 to $100 a coin. $50 from here is obviously a 50x. Best case scenario, about $100 a coin. That's right around the $100 billion market cap that MURAD is predicting. I'm not trading this one, just believing in something. If you're also a believer, make sure to smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. We're currently in 5 other trades. I'm not trading SPX, but other coins, other cryptos. If you want completely free access to my trade signals and my daily crypto analysis, take 30 seconds of your time, sign into Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Once you sign up, send an email. Some of the benefits, 10% back on every single one of your trades. And you get a $200 bonus if you put $1,000 into your futures account. But you do not have to do that to get entrance to my group. All you got to do is sign up to Bitfinex, take that 30 seconds, send me email, my daily crypto analysis for many of your favorite projects, including SPX, Giga, and many other coins, my exact crypto trade status, my Forex signals. You can also see what I'm invested in and when I'm taking my profits. Definitely a $50 to $100 a month value in my opinion. Yours for free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. Send me email. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.